Mastering the hashtag game in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where learning English is both fun and effective. Today, we're diving into a very current and popular topic, the hashtag game. You've seen them all over social media, but what do they really mean? And how can you use them to boost your English skills? Let's get started and master the hashtag game together. A hashtag is a word or phrase preceded by the hash symbol, hash. It's a way of categorizing content on social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Hashtags help users find posts on a specific topic quickly and easily. They have become a staple in the world of social media communication. Originally, hashtags were used just for categorization. However, they have evolved into a tool for expressing sentiments, joining conversations, and even marketing. They can be a way of engaging with current events, trends, or challenges. To use hashtags effectively, you should keep them relevant to your post and use them sparingly. Too many hashtags can be overwhelming and may come off as spammy. Also, it's important to use specific and targeted hashtags to reach the right audience. The hashtag game refers to the practice of using hashtags in a witty, clever, or strategic manner. It's about finding the right balance between being informative and engaging. Joining the hashtag game can mean participating in trending challenges, using puns, or creating a hashtag that represents your brand or message. Let's look at some examples. Hashtag Throwback Thursday, used to share nostalgic content. Hashtag Motivation Monday, for posts that aim to inspire and start the week strong. Hashtag ImWriting, often used by writers to share their writing process or progress. Try creating your own hashtag for a topic you're passionate about. It's a great way to practice your English creativity. And that's a wrap on the hashtag game. We hope you feel more confident about using and understanding hashtags in English. Remember, hashtags are more than just a trend. They're a part of the language of social media. Have fun with them, and don't forget to practice. See you in the next video.